Hello students, so today let us begin with Unit 3, My Shadow. Do you know whenever there is light, someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who is it? Whenever you go in the sunlight or in the sun or when you travel by light, there is always someone who is following you. Do you know who it is? Yes, it's your shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see him. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into the bed. So here they are talking about a little shadow. This guy has a little shadow and that goes in and out with him. Wherever he or she goes, he is always following him. What can be the use of that shadow? There is no use of shadow except that a person can see his or her own shadow, and there is no other use than that. He is very, very like me from heels up to the head. Like here the poet says that he is very much similar to the boy or the girl from heels, that is from leg to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So whenever the author jumps, he can see that the shadow jumps before the author or the poet can jump inside him, inside the bed or on the bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little there's none of him at all. So here they are talking that's a funny thing about its growth. The way he grows is very funny. Not like us, not like human proper children where they grow it slowly. But shadow sometimes suddenly grows up very tall like an India rubber ball, and sometimes it is so little that there is none of him at all. You cannot see him. The shadow is so small. One morning, very early, before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So here the poet says that one morning when he woke up very early, that was even before the sun, and he rose and found so he went outside his room and he saw shining dew. Dews are small water droplets he saw on the buttercup. But then he realizes that his shadow is very lazy and it's very small, just like an errant sleepy head. Errant sleepy head is someone who is completely unattentive. So he was sleeping. He stayed at home behind the poet and he was fast asleep in his bed. So here shadow does not follow whenever you travel in dark. It always follows when you are in light. This is what author is trying to say. The poet is Robert Louis Stevenson. In homework you have to write down the entire poem and the new words. India rubber ball, that is a ball that can bounce very high. Buttercup is name of a yellow flower. Errant is bad, and errant sleepy head is completely inattentive. You have to write these new words and also make sentences in homework. Thank you.